अरे जाओ बेटा। एक बार दे दीजिए। उसका फेस इधर कीजिएगा, बच्चे का फेस इधर कीजिए। अच्छा, कुंदन सेटअप तैयार।
We felt it in our heart that we wanted to adopt again, and we were drawn to India because you are so caring and kind, and you take care of your children. And we wanted to bring him into our heart and into our family. We're going to raise him as one of our own, and love him forever. He's going to have the best opportunities that we can give him, everything that we can, and we're so blessed to be able to bring Jiva home.
Love children, and we wanted another child. We have 3 at home and 1 with us, or no, two at home, 1 with us. And we wanted to adopt from India because India has a reputation for being very ethical. And paying close attention to the children's welfare. The people here have taken such good care of Jiva, and we will bring him home, and he will be our son. He will just, as any other one of our children, we will love him forever. He will inherit our property. We'll take care of him. We'll send him to school and get him all the medical treatment that he needs. He is our heart, and we are so lucky and so grateful to be his parents. He is just a delight and a joy, and we are so lucky to be his parents.